Are you looking for a better way of managing your interactions with customers? Do you want to use your valuable information about customers to become more profitable? Would you like your sales, marketing, and customer service teams to be able to work from anywhere? Finding answers to these questions feels impossible. But what if there was a solution that could help you do all of this and more? What if you could manage your customer information in one place, automate your sales processes, and generate reports in real time? We can build that solution for you. Intelliglobe's CRM helps businesses improve customer relationships by organizing communications across departments including sales, marketing, and customer service. By storing valuable information in one place will help everyone can collaborate on what matters. Your marketing team can use CRM to create more profitable campaigns. Your customer services team can use CRM to provide world-class support. Your sales teams can use CRM to automate key parts of the sales process. Hence, CRM will help to manage interactions with prospects, leads, and customers as they move through your sales cycle. Use Intelliglobe's custom-made CRM. It's time to grow your business.